The world of car accessories is evolving rapidly, with innovative gadgets that enhance convenience, safety, and entertainment on the road. Whether you're looking for cutting-edge security solutions, high-tech comfort upgrades, or smart tools to improve your driving experience, Amazon is packed with next-level car gadgets that push the boundaries of innovation. From AI-powered dash cams to futuristic heads-up displays, these 15 must-have car gadgets are transforming the way we drive. Buckle up and explore the latest tech designed to make your journey smarter, safer, and more enjoyable. FIVKLEMNZ. The FIVKLEMNZ car rooftop cargo carrier is a game-changer for travelers needing extra storage space. With 21 cubic feet of capacity, it easily holds multiple suitcases, tents, and gear, making road trips more comfortable. Its 10 reinforced straps and anti-slip mat ensure stability, even on rough roads. The security lock adds theft protection, a thoughtful touch for peace of mind. Installation is simple, even for vehicles without roof rails, thanks to included door hooks. Made from 700D Oxford cloth, with a waterproof zipper and welded seams, it stands up to extreme weather. At $99, this carrier offers exceptional durability, security, and convenience. Whether you're camping or moving, it's a reliable storage solution backed by solid customer support. Race Ramps RRTR6. The Race Ramps RRTR6 trailer ramps are a must-have for loading low-profile vehicles without the risk of scraping bumpers or undercarriages. With a 6-inch height and 8.2-degree approach angle, they provide a smooth transition into trailers, making them perfect for race cars, sports cars, and show vehicles. The solid core construction ensures durability without holes that could trap debris or pests. At just 7.5 pounds per ramp, they're lightweight and easy to maneuver, yet each can support 1,500 pounds. The textured non-slip surface keeps them secure on any ground, and they won't scratch floors. At $361, they are a premium but worthwhile investment for car enthusiasts looking for safe, hassle-free loading. Plus, the built-in carrying strap adds convenience. VacuMaid GV50R Pro. The VacuMaid GV50R Pro is a powerful and durable wall-mounted garage vacuum designed for car enthusiasts and home workshops. Built with galvanized steel and a corrosion-resistant powder coating, it ensures long-lasting performance. The 5.7-inch Amatec lamp motor delivers strong suction with up to 75% more lifespan than comparable models. Its 7-gallon capacity and sealed HEPA-style bag eliminate messy filter cleaning, making maintenance easy. The 50-foot hose provides excellent reach, and the included attachments, wands, dusting brush, and floor or upholstery tools enhance versatility. Unlike traditional shop vacs, this wall-mounted design prevents tipping and keeps the workspace tidy. At $470, it's a premium investment, but for those seeking efficiency, convenience, and durability, it's an excellent choice for keeping cars and garages spotless. Vyper Robust Steel Pro. The Vyper Robust Steel Pro is a premium garage tool designed for mechanics, DIYers, and detailers who need comfort, durability, and mobility. Featuring a thick industrial foam seat, it provides excellent support for extended work sessions. The extra-large stationary tool tray ensures that essential tools remain within reach, boosting efficiency. Its 4-inch industrial-grade casters glide effortlessly over various surfaces, including debris and epoxy floors, ensuring smooth, stable movement. Built with laser-cut, powder-coated steel and zinc-coated hardware, this tool is highly durable and corrosion-resistant, supporting up to 400 pounds. At $450, it's a high-end investment, but for professionals or serious hobbyists seeking comfort, stability, and long-lasting performance, it's an excellent choice for the workshop or garage. TRAC Tire Jack Tool. The TRAC Tire Jack Tool is a heavy-duty, time-saving solution for mounting and aligning tires with ease. Built with durable steel construction and sturdy welds, it can handle up to 2 tons, 907 kilograms, making it perfect for garage, shop, or roadside use. The steel roller plate allows for smooth tire positioning, helping users align tires with wheel studs without strain or back pain. Despite its strength, it remains compact and lightweight at under 15 pounds, ensuring easy storage and portability. The red powder-coated finish adds durability and a professional look. At $235, it's a valuable tool for mechanics and DIYers, significantly reducing effort and improving efficiency when handling heavy tires and wheels. JOYTUTUS Rear Cargo Rack. The JOYTUTUS Rear Cargo Rack is a rugged and versatile storage solution for Wrangler JL 4-door hardtop, 2018 to 2023 owners. Designed for heavy-duty use, it supports up to 350 pounds, making it perfect for storing camping gear, car refrigerators, and bulky items. The adjustable height feature is a game changer, allowing users to customize storage layouts, placing larger items below and smaller bags on top for a well-organized trunk. Built from high-quality sheet steel, it ensures durability and stability while keeping the trunk clean and efficient. The bolt-on installation is straightforward, though the 34.39 pounds weight means it's best installed with help. At $240, it's an excellent investment for Jeep owners looking to maximize cargo space for adventures and road trips. BESTOOL Garage Creeper. The BESTOOL Garage Creeper is a sturdy and ergonomic tool designed for smooth and comfortable automotive maintenance. Featuring improved casters with a shaft sleeve and dust cover, it ensures durability and long-lasting performance. The heavy-duty metal frame provides excellent strength and stability, supporting up to 350 pounds. Its non-marring polyurethane swivel caster wheels allow for effortless movement, making it easy to glide under vehicles. The ergonomic design includes thick padded cushions, offering superior comfort during long hours of work. With a low-profile 2-inch height, it provides easy access to tight spaces under cars, trucks, and SUVs. At $130, it's an excellent investment for DIYers and professional mechanics seeking comfort, mobility, and durability in their workspace. Shocker HD20K Air Hitch. The Shocker HD20K Air Hitch is a premium towing solution designed to reduce road shock, bumps, and trailer sway for a smoother and safer towing experience. Featuring a built-in heavy-duty air ride suspension system, it absorbs road vibrations, making long hauls more stable and comfortable. The dual bump cushions further enhance shock dampening, protecting both your vehicle and cargo. With 8 adjustable height settings, it allows fine-tuning for different towing loads. The 20,000 pounds towing capacity and 2,000 pounds tongue weight rating make it a heavy-duty and reliable choice for full-size trucks, vans, and SUVs. Finished with a durable red textured powder coat, it ensures longevity and impact resistance. At $750, it's a top-tier upgrade for serious towing needs. Autel Scanner MaxiCOM MK808S. The Autel Scanner MaxiCOM MK808S is a powerful, cost-effective diagnostic tool for automotive professionals and enthusiasts. The bi-directional control allows active testing of windows, mirrors, sunroofs, and more, ensuring proper functionality of actuators. With 28+ reset services including oil reset, ABS bleeding, injector coding, and battery registration, it provides comprehensive vehicle maintenance support for 150+ car brands. The full system diagnostics feature reads and clears codes, offers ECU info, and supports 5-in-1 live data analysis. Its auto-VIN and auto-scan capabilities enhance efficiency, allowing quick vehicle identification and fault detection. At $480, it rivals high-end models like the MK900BT and MS906 Pro, making it a high-value investment for professional diagnostics and car maintenance. Noco Boost Plus GB40. The Noco Boost Plus GB40 is a compact yet powerful jump starter, offering 1000 amps to quickly start dead batteries in gasoline engines up to 6.0L and diesel engines up to 3.0L. Its ultra-safe technology ensures spark-proof connections and reverse polarity protection, making it safe and easy to use. Beyond a jump starter, it serves as a portable power bank, allowing users to charge smartphones and tablets via USB. The integrated 100-lumen LED flashlight with 7 modes, including SOS and emergency strobe, enhances versatility. Its rugged water-resistant IP65 design and lightweight 2.5 pounds build make it ideal for emergency kits. At $100, it's a reliable and cost-effective tool for roadside emergencies and everyday convenience. U-Haul Tow Dolly. The U-Haul Tow Dolly is a reliable and cost-effective solution for safely transporting vehicles. Featuring heavy-duty tow dolly straps with a 12,000 lb webbing brake strength, it ensures secure tie-downs for professional and recreational haulers. The flat hooks and industrial-grade polyester webbing provide durability and protection against wear, making it suitable for 17-inch or larger tires. Easy to use, simply drape the straps over the tires, secure the flat hooks, and tighten with a ratchet. With a working load limit of 3,333 pounds, an assembly brake strength of 10,000 pounds, it minimizes bounce and enhances safety. Priced at $40, it's a reliable towing accessory for flatbed trucks and trailers, ensuring smooth and secure vehicle transport. Graco Turn 2 Me. The Graco Turn 2 Me is a versatile 3-in-1 car seat designed for safety, convenience, and comfort. Its one-hand rotation allows for easy switching between rear-facing 4 to 40 pounds, forward-facing 22 to 65 pounds, and high-back booster 40 to 100 pounds modes. Snuglock technology ensures quick and secure installation in under a minute, while the in-right latch system provides an easy 1-second attachment. The Graco Protect Plus engineering meets rigorous crash tests, offering enhanced safety. With 10 adjustable headrest positions, a steel-reinforced frame and plush removable inserts, it grows with your child while ensuring maximum comfort. Fuss-free harness storage pockets make securing your child effortless. At $350, it's a durable, user-friendly and highly secure investment for families on the go. BAK Revolver X4s. The BAK Revolver X4s is a premium, hard roll-up truck bed cover designed for 2019 to 2024 Chevy GMC Silverado and Sierra. 5 10-inch bed excluding carbon pro bed. Made in the USA, it features a sleek, matte black finish with industrial-grade vinyl and aluminum black slats, ensuring durability and style. The one-hand operation makes it effortless to use, with a tailgate cable unlocking mechanism for quick access. When rolled up, it stores tightly against the cab, secured with a durable strap and buckle system, providing full bed access without obstructing visibility. Its concealed aluminum underbody adds safety and protection. At $1,370, it's a rugged, secure, and stylish solution for truck owners who need easy access and reliable cargo protection. Tilta Hydra Alien. The Tilta Hydra Alien is a high-performance car mounting system designed for cinematic vehicle shots, priced at $1,530. Built for use with smaller gimbals like the DJI RS2, it offers exceptional stability and versatile mounting options. The system features customizable dovetail plates and industrial-grade suction cups that support up to 100 kilograms, ensuring a secure attachment to vehicles in various conditions. With shock-absorbing silicone and a hydraulic dampening pole, it provides smooth footage even on rough terrain. The spring-loaded cradle head allows inverted gimbal mounting, expanding creative possibilities. Additionally, wireless RS2 control enables precise camera adjustments. Whether mounted high, low, or on the side, the Hydra Alien delivers professional-grade car shots, making it an essential tool for filmmakers. Pickup Truck Tent. The pickup truck tent is an affordable and convenient camping solution priced at $90. Designed for 5.5 to 6-inch truck beds, it provides a spacious interior measuring 93 by 65 by 67 inch, offering plenty of room for a comfortable outdoor experience. Made from 210T polyester Oxford with a PU 2000 waterproof coating, it ensures protection against rain and wind. The fiberglass poles provide durability, while the double-layer design includes a large entrance door and 3 mesh windows for excellent ventilation. Interior storage pockets help keep gear organized. The tent is easy to set up with all necessary hardware included. Whether camping, fishing, or hiking, this sturdy and well-ventilated truck tent transforms any pickup into a mobile campsite for outdoor adventures.